Working with RGX fills a gap that has existed for quite some time in our industry. ISSA often will get calls from a member saying, we know you're global. Do you know someone in this country? Or do you know anybody in this market? Because I'm looking for a partner, or I'm trying to understand how to expand into that area. And we search to find the best people who have a global portfolio, which RGX does, to be able to do that research and business matching for us. So ISSA's team works with RGX's team to help people understand if they're trying to export products, trying to understand a market, trying to look for distributors if they're a manufacturer, even contract cleaners that have been looking to expand their services into other countries. And the beauty is we can also help them in their own market to look into a new customer segment if that's what they're trying to do. So there's a couple different packages that we've created based on some of the common needs that companies might have. And then we also have completely customizable capabilities where we start with the packages. We start with a bit of a checkup to find out a little more about your company so that we can understand what your needs are, and also to be able to match you up with which countries might be the best fit for you. Sometimes that's helping confirm or contradict a gut instinct with some actual data, or it might be to explore something that you hadn't thought of yet. And then we go further to do reports or analyses on a specific topic or product category or country, depending on what you're looking for. And then we can go so far as to set up virtual business meetings with a certain number of target prospects that fit the profile of who you're trying to do business with. We have had some members take advantage of it already, and we've gotten some really great feedback. We've done analyses, and we've also done what we would call a starter package of looking into a new market that's completely fresh for them and helping them understand what exactly do they need to know. So we've done things like explore what the regulatory environment is so that you know what you need to do if you bring a product into a new location. We've also done research to find a short list of businesses or whether they're to represent a product or a company, or they're to partner on providing certain things like chemical formulation within country, things like that. And then what we found so far is our members have said, I really learned a lot that I didn't know, and it helped me. I was able to better understand what I need to do in order to further our goals with expansion. And some people have found some really great contacts in the process. You can just go to ISSA's website, and we've got a section under member benefits about market consulting and research. And from there, you can actually schedule an appointment with one of us from ISSA who can walk you through some questions to figure out what exactly your needs are, and also help you hone in on how our services could best fit in what areas or markets.